Railway invades proposals from private players to run passenger trains. The Ministry of Railways has invited requests for qualifications for private participations for passenger train operations on 109 pairs of routes through 151 modern trains. The project will entitle a private sector investment of about 30 crores. Railway Minister Piyush Goyal said the movement will boost job creation, reduce transit time, and provide world class facilities to passengers. India operated Chabahar port in Iran creates new record of cargo handling. India operated strategic Chabahar port in Iran completed 18 months of smooth operation and set a new record of cargo handling. On June 13th, the India Ports Global Limited terminal loaded 76 TEUs for India in a record single loading, new milestone in maritime history. Minister Munsukh Mandyala tweeted, Canara Bank plans to raise up to 8,000 crores in this year. Canara Bank CEO LV Prabhakar has said that it plans to raise 6,000 to 8,000 crore in third quarter or fourth quarter through qualified institutional placements or bonds. The bank plans to raise the amount to factor in growth and any probable effects of coronavirus. The bank has 17% of its loan book under moratorium. As of now, our capital ratio are adequate, he said. Tesla overtakes Toyota to become the world's most valuable car company. Elon Musk led electric car maker. Tesla on Wednesday displayed Toyota as the world's most valuable car maker by market value after the company's shares climbed over 4%, giving it a market valuation of over 208 billions. Toyota's market capital is 203.21 billion. Tesla shares have more than doubled since the start of the year and hit a 52-week high of 1129.18 today. Sensex increased 498 points, Nifty increased 127 points, gold price decreased 517 rupees, and Indian rupees value was increased 0.08 paisa. Thanks for watching. For more updates on financial news or share market news, please do subscribe.